Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT to summarize books. Using ChatGPT to summarize books on Windows is a great way to quickly capture key points, themes, or specific chapters. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, access ChatGPT on Windows device. Website. Go to chat.openai.com and log in. Second, gather information on the book. If you haven't read the book, have a summary or key points from reliable sources such as a book summary site. For books you read, identify any sections, themes, or ideas you want to summarize. Third, set up your prompt for ChatGPT. Provide a clear, focused prompt about what you want summarized. Entire book. Can you summarize the main plot and themes of book title, specific chapters or sections? Summarize chapters 1 to 5 of book title, focusing on the key events. Themes or character analysis. Could you summarize the main themes of book title and provide a brief analysis of the protagonist? Then hit the arrow upwards to reveal the result. Fourth, refine and clarify if needed. If the initial summary isn't specific enough, ask ChatGPT to expand or focus on particular details. Examples: can you provide more details on the main character's development? Or could you simplify the explanation of the book's central theme? Hit the arrow upward again. Fifth, copy and save the summary. Once you're satisfied, copy the summary from ChatGPT and paste it into a document for future reference. This approach helps create a concise and informative summary, ideal for study notes, discussions, or personal review. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.